Hello friend, today we will discuss cobweb theorem of economics. Cobweb theorem or cobweb model explains how price and quantity adjust over time in markets where there is a time lag between the production decision and actual supply reaching the market. Typically in agriculture or similar industries where production and actual decisions and actual supply has time lags. It is called cobweb model because when you plot price and quantity adjustments over time, the curve looks like a spider's web. Some assumptions of cobweb model are: first, time lag between production decision and actual sale. Crops takes time to grow, so there is time lag between the production and sale. Second is producers base their decisions on current prices, not future expectations. Third, demand and supply are functions of price. Fourth is market adjusts automatically to disequilibrium. Now we see how it works. So we will see step by step. Suppose farmers see a high price for a crop this year. In next season, they produce more of it because there is price high and demand is also high. Third is this increased supply, so prices fall. Seeing lower prices, next year they produce less, prices rise again, and the cycle repeats. This price and quantity keep oscillating, either converging or diverging or stabilizing around the equilibrium. So types of cobweb patterns are: convergent cobweb, price move toward equilibrium over time. Supply curve is less elastic than demand curve. Divergent cobweb, price move away from the equilibrium. Unstable supply curve is more elastic than demand curve. And neutral condition, where continuous or equilibrium position is seen, cobweb prices oscillate in a constant pattern. Supply and demand curves have equal elasticity. For example, we can take agricultural market. Suppose we have taken onion market. Year 1 onion price is high, that is rupees 50 per kg. Farmers increase onion cultivation. Year 2 excess supply leads to price fall and price of onion decreases to rupees 20 per kg. Year 3 farmers plant fewer onion, supply drops and prices rise again rupees 45 per kg. Year 4 seeing high prices, farmers again produce more and the cycle continues. If this continues to move closer to equilibrium, the price pattern forms a converging cobweb. So